Welcome to sharedhomes.net, where we provide you with your ideal vacation home at a fraction of the cost. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Owning a second home just doesn't make sense with all the additional costs. And I simply can't justify the purchase of a second place when I'm only planning to use the home for a month or two each year. But man, it would really be nice to have my own vacation home. No crowded hotels or overpriced vacation rentals. I have a place to call my own. My home away from home. At sharedhomes.net, we remove all the anxieties of owning a second home and show you how owning a shared home with other like-minded individuals is actually less expensive than that hotel or vacation rental. The math is simple. Instead of paying for the entire vacation home that you only visit a month or two during the year, you only pay for what you use. And since other like-minded individuals like yourself also own the home, there is a noticeable pride of ownership and added care. And when you aren't there, sharedhomes.net professionally maintains and manages the property. All shared homes come fully furnished and turnkey, ready to use each and every time you visit. And since sharedhomes.net takes care of all the details, all you and your loved ones have to do is vacation.